Hey everyone, welcome back to tenorshare. Are you looking to refresh your iPhone or completely erase it to start anew? If you're dealing with unresponsive apps, frozen screens, or other software glitches, a hard reset might be just what you need. It can refresh your phone without losing any data. On the other hand, if you're looking to erase everything and restore your iPhone to its factory settings, we'll cover that too. So, if you're interested, keep watching. Part 1. How to hard reset an iPhone. For iPhone models like the SA2N generation and newer, you can follow these steps to perform a hard reset. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Like this. Until the Apple logo appears on the screen, then release it. If you've done a hard reset and your phone still has issues, don't worry. You can use ReiBoot to repair your phone without losing any data. I'll show you how to do that in the last part of this video. But first, let's move on to factory resetting your iPhone. Part 2. How to factory reset an iPhone. Before we proceed, remember that a factory reset will erase all your data. So, if you still need your data, make sure to back it up. You can use iCloud on your phone or iTunes. Once your data is backed up, here's how to factory reset your iPhone. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Erase all content and settings. Then tap Continue and tap Erase iPhone, and you may need to enter your passcode to confirm, and your iPhone will be restored to its default settings. Now, what if you've forgotten your iPhone's passcode and it's stuck on the unavailable screen? Or what if your phone is broken or has a system bug? Don't worry, you can use ReiBoot to repair or reset your phone without hassle. Part 3. Factory reset iPhone with ReiBoot. If you've tried everything but still can't work, it's time to bring out your computer to download a helpful software. Here I will use ReiBoot to show you. ReiBoot is a powerful tool that can help you repair and reset your iPhone, even if it's completely stuck or if you can't disable screen time. I will put the link below for you guys. Okay, after you download ReiBoot on your computer, you need to connect your phone to it. ReiBoot have factory reset option here. You can use it to directly reset your phone. But if your phone have some system issue, I recommend you to do a deep repair. You can click the green Start button, then choose Deep Repair. The standard repair here can fix your phone issue without data loss. You can try it the next time if you need it. But now, let's start the deep repair. You will need to download the matching firmware to let it repair your phone error-free. When the download is done, you can start the deep repair now. Deep repair will perform a complete reset, restoring your device to its factory settings. This can also update your iPhone to the most stable version of iOS. When the process is done, your phone will be back to factory setting, without any system problem. You can feel free to sell or give it away now. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.